Moto G Stylus 5G sold by Amazon.com. Introducing the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G 2023 edition, unlocked for ultimate flexibility. Compatible with T-Mobile and Verizon 5G and all major 4G US carriers. Built-in stylus for jotting notes, editing photos, sketching, and effortless navigation. Experience blazing fast 5G speeds with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor. Enjoy immersive entertainment on a 6.6 120Hz display with Dolby Atmos sound. Capture stunning photos with the 50MP camera system featuring ultra-pixel technology. Store everything you need with 256 GB of storage and enjoy a 5,000 mAh battery life. Fit more in your frame with the 8MP ultra-wide lens and get closer with macro vision. Rated 4.1 stars. Order today for $249.99. Moto G Power 5G sold by Amazon.com. Introducing the Moto G Power 5G 2024, an unlocked smartphone made for the US market. Enjoy a 6.7 FHD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Dolby Atmos sound. Capture stunning photos with a 50MP camera system featuring optical image stabilization.